Alright, good morning guys. Actually it's good afternoon, sorry, it's 1 o'clock. I'm a bit late today with my morning check-in. What was I going to say? Day 18, day 1 to 30. No drinking, alcohol free, 30-day sober challenge. Oh, time's flying, eh? Yeah, so I've just been keeping busy with I don't think this is going to work. It's probably for nothing. Don't know if you can see. But my attempt to try and keep the sheep out. They keep nailing my garden. I don't think it's going to work, but that's all I had. That's all I could afford, and I bought it from Temu, so I didn't really know what it was going to look like or feel like. So now I know. Excellent netting for other things. Don't think it's going to work for the sheep, but yeah, it goes around the entire garden. Basically, you can tell by this, but it's almost invisible. Anyways, it's not what this is about. Sorry, I'm just telling you I'm a little bit late today, and I'll check in again this afternoon later. Alright, bye. Hi guys, day 18, day 1 to 30 of no drinking. My 30-day staying sober challenge, no alcohol. Second checking of the day, still sober, still here, still clean, and I'll check in again tomorrow. Sorry for this, but can't find my tripod. Alright, I'll see you again tomorrow. Cheers.